Here are a few websites that I usually use to quickly design a button for my website. First website is buttonoptimizer.com, and the second one is thebuttonfactory.com. Let's look at the first one first, Button Optimizer. So here's very simple. It has a tool right here that you can easily design your own button in like barely a minute. So here is where you enter the text. So I'm just gonna put the text submit here, and I can change the font color to any color that I want. So let's just say I want to pick this, say darker color, or say yellow color like this over here. Okay, that's it. The color, I can change the font type. As you can see on the right side, I can change the size, and also whether I want to make it capitalized, bold, or italic. Then I can change the border, the padding, how much padding, how big is the size that I want for the button, vertical padding, background top color, background bottom color. And if you go down here, best of all, you can actually add an icon. You can search for different types of icon. Let's just say I want to find the exit icon. So I'm just going to search here. And you can find lots of different icons that you can add. Let's just say I want to pick this one. There you go. Then you can also remove this icon if you want to. You can add text shadow and even a box shadow like this. Now once you're done, you can always download this button as a PNG image, or you can get the CSS code, which is a code like this, which you can add to your website, or a PNG file. Okay, now the other website that I want to show you is the buttonfactory.com. It's almost the same as the previous one, where here you can change the text, the font type, which has more varieties. You can change the font face, the size, the color, such as this, shadow or no shadow, size, here, padding, vertical, horizontal padding, style. The good thing about here is that you can change the style of the button to be like this or like this. Like that. Okay, so this is more curvy, this is less curvy. You can even change the curviness of it like this. In the background, you want to change it to a flat color or gradient color. It's really up to you. So let's just say I want to change it to a simple gradient, and let's just change this to like that. See that? And I can quickly swap it. And I could have even a bubble effect, which is like an emboss button. You can add border or shadow. It's really up to me. Then I can always download this button as a PNG file, GIF, JPG, or ICO. So ICO is actually an icon file, which has an extension of .ico. And you can also embed this button. Instead of downloading it, you can just copy the CSS code and put it on your HTML page. Or you can even have a link over here. So these are the two websites that I would recommend you to design buttons for your websites.